Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for wherever you are watching me from. Today, I'm going to be taking an average weight of my beds. First of all, I need to do is to calibrate the weight. If there is anything on top it, if there is anything that will alternate it weight, you have to remove it. Then, this is a digital scale of a total weight of 150 kg. So, what I do is to on it and it allow it to read finish. There is nothing on it. If there is anything like any weight on top it, you are going to calibrate it to 0, but there is nothing on it. The next step is to bring in your beds. You bring about 5 of them, weigh differently, so able to give you an average weight. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. Stay tuned. To weigh this bed, so I've on it, I've calibrated everything, so I've put in, so it gives me a total of 6.8 kg. In here is about 10 of them. So after weighing this, I'm going to get the average by dividing it by the total number. So at the end of this now, I'm going to still divide them. So they are giving me a weight of 6.9 kg.